The game you are about to see might bring back memories from Ashutosh Gawarkar's critically acclaimed film Swades. In Desi Adda Games of India, Shah Rukh Khan faces stiff competition from Avinash. Like SRK, Avinash is homeward bound from the US. Unlike SRK though, he has no village belly to romance. Probably one of the reasons why he takes to playing street games instead.
I tell you, you city walas have no idea about all the fun that you are missing. Simply playing that dishum games made in foreign. No use. No use telling you people anything. Have you played any game made in our own country? Try playing Desi Adda Games of India.
Desi Adda Games of India is the first game developed totally by an Indian team called Game Shastra Solutions Private Limited. It is published by Sony Computers Entertainment for PS2 and PSP.
See, like the Desi Adda game is not available on the PS3 for two reasons. One is from the commercial point of view, the PS3 is still getting installed in the Indian market and the installed base is much smaller compared to the other two formats. The second is PS3, in terms of it being a next generation console, the development time and the cost is much higher, and therefore as of now it was not commercially prudent to get into the PS3 development for Desi Adda.
The game begins like a typical Indian film. A young man named Avinash returns from US to his native village where his grandparents live. The game proceeds like this. Avinash walks around the village, striking a conversation with different villagers who will introduce him to one traditional game each.
Namaskaram, or do I say namaste? I always get that wrong. You'll have to excuse me for that.
The characters include Garjanji, a wealthy leader who promises to bring great changes to the village. You also have Gopal, who thinks that Garjanji is a bad leader and the villagers are fickle-minded, voting for just about anyone who gives them money and toddy. And Govind is a young lad who wants to be cool and is obsessed with girls. Most of the conversations between Avinash and the villagers sound like the typical urban versus the rural kind. There are two board games. One is Pachisi and the other is Adupuli Atam. Pachisi is the game that the Pandavas and the Kauravas played, leading to the battle of Kurukshetra in Mahabharata. It is a game where you have 4 pawns that have to be moved across the board and brought back home by throwing the dice around. What is irritating is that you cannot start unless you get a 1, 6 or 25 on the dice. What's worse is if your opponents come from behind and lands on the same box that your pawn is in, then you have to start right from the beginning.
This game is all about lucky and little bit boring. No wonder Akbar Mia used dancers instead of pawns for playing Pachisi. But Adupuli Atam, what a game, what a game. It will make you think a lot.
Adupuli Atam is a board game where you have 3 tigers and roughly about 15 goats. The challenge is to place the goats strategically in a way that the tigers are trapped and cannot move and kill your goats. The computer AI is really good and you lose the game even if you make a few mistakes. Now the kite flying game could be quite a challenge just like in real life. Only thing here is that you don't have girls from adjacent terrace giving you those "he can't even fly a kite" look. The challenge here is to burst balloons with your kite within a given period of time, and this is definitely tougher than the game of Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is introduced by Govind as a game similar to cricket. Avinash is first put through some practice to whack the gilli into the air and then face the village kids in the game.
This Gilli Danda is just like cricket, so all you city bachas can also learn how to play the game. But if you are a man of strength and courage, then come to my adda. We will play kabaddi, 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 kabaddi.
Kabaddi is my pick out of all the games in Desi Adda Games of India. Avinash is put into a team, and as Avinash you get to play this high adrenaline, very physical game where you get to raid into the opponent's court with all those moves which are a part of the sport itself. But unfortunately, you cannot go to the next level in Kabaddi until you finish a certain point on all other games. That's sad because I can't get myself to play Pachisi.
There are two things that draws a person into this game of Desi Adda. One is the very filmy yet the nostalgic rural feel that the whole thing as a platformer gives. And the interactivity that is available in 3 Indian languages, which is Hindi, the Tamil as well as the Punjabi. These are definite attractions. And on top of that, the basic attraction of the traditional Indian games, the inquisitiveness of learning those things that we used to play on the mud can now be played on a PlayStation.
There is also a so-called dancing game for the kids, I suppose. You are supposed to press exactly those buttons that you see sliding across the screen and the villagers dance to the tune. Now even for a PS2 game, the graphics are very average. The village scene is pretty convincing, but making Avinash walk around just to strike a conversation and start the game is frustrating. I would just take the mini games menu in the options. It is also quite irritating to see Avinash making the same opening statement with everyone in the village. And for some reason he keeps scratching his leg throughout. I really like the music used throughout the game, be it the tabla during the menu or the kuttu beats during Kabaddi. The gaming controls don't matter much for the board games as it is slow. But for Gilli Danda, kite flying and Kabaddi, I think the controls are perfect and without any sort of lag. The game can also be played in 3 Indian languages, Tamil, Hindi and Punjabi. Overall, I would say it's a very good start from Game Shastra Solutions Private Limited, but they have a long way to go.
Now you see what I told you about all the fun in the village. Okay, now I go after my cattle, you also go do some work. Come in the evening, we will play Kabaddi in my adda, okay?
Right, Shrikant, let's see how many people respond to that one. In case you want to take the non-adda way out, mail in to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. We'll see you next week with lots as always on Reliance Big TV Bite It.